Uba Meru Bonds Aim MLA nong po kumukong san ulapan hab yakalama jung school St. Paul's High Secondary School nong po Hamadan NSCA pahams aim ban penwai yaka inter-house school sports sakalai phoi tere ulaber hakani kasni penwai yakani kalumpung yakop sports jung kani ka school ladon lang kirang ba ki bakuntup urang ba shnong pahams aim ba jadwen lingdo Sister Angelina Marak headmistress kinong hikai bat ki kmiki kpa Haga jingkran uba Amirul Bon lapan pawe ka jingkemen ban yo iya ka jing shongshit bat jing he mensim jongki khana ka ni ka school ki sports ki penroi met bat mensim hala ka long briwan brio jugi khana ula ong ki khana ge de ban roi amtang haga jing pule henrei habaro ki liang juga jing em hang ne hasla perthai
pampuai ki jing pam ki jarda ki khoini ki jing di drop ni haban kiar lailung laiwa lagi di jing sniu ni sibun ki kena school agak juk ke pemerintah ngilayat lah nagi babun ki kam ke babha ki kimi ki pa ki jong hi ki pa school hi don ki long ying ki baduk ki bahap pendiang da garap kesya ban penbiang ya ki bai school ban penbiang ya ki uniform ban penbiang ya ki bai kot namar kata atongin ngin buram ya ki kimi ki pa ki bala krishan na ka banta jo hi ikna school ki bi pin buram bat pin pendan buram ya ki nahi kai ki bi ki jo hi ki bala ai ki bala psut ya ki sembo ke jeng nang ding start apeng jo hi ba pin kiu shopran sakmat dongin long ki kena school ki bin tips ni ki banang la ban kiu shopran sakmat hai ki jeng im ki banang wan mandaga sengi ki la ya sakhi ya ki jeng le kai athletics ka ba internet nilai ki cuki nilai yo ban pet ya ki relay 4x1 4x4 kaba internet hadu kata bang ikit bok ki yang ki student kadon gawi ke code kaba on haktin paren run when you can walk if you have to crawl if you must just never give up on St. Paul Higher Secondary School. It's not behind in performing in different academic record within the state. St. Paul has produced good students who are brilliant, who are dedicated, who are sincere in the duties, and I hope in the days to come, in the different level, in the SSLC examination, in HSSC examination, that the student of St. Paul Higher Secondary School, they will do well in future. And we would like to see that more students, they will perform. They will make St. Paul Higher Secondary School proud. They will make their parents proud. They will make the locality proud. Misal sorong, bahagi por ki baladep, St. Paul Higher Secondary School kelaju penmi, ya ki nak school ki balapas bah. Hagi exam, hagi SSLC, kumjuru, haga higher secondary school certificate.
Lasa miki nam job syaparo ki khana ki bala shimbanta hagi jingale kai ba bonjan ka house blue ka long ka kun hun ka bala ra ka thong jing job ka baning kong